What's up, friends? I'm TheCovertCrow and welcome back to the channel. I'm wearing red because I was seeing red just a couple weeks ago. A night just like tonight. We're getting ready to go out. Next thing I know, Omega Speedmaster Professional Hesalite Crystal cracked. Stick around. Let's get into it. In the watch community, enthusiasts are often met with tough decisions, sometimes even experiencing traumatic situations that may impact the watch journey forever. These are their stories. So here we go. We're talking December 29th. We're getting ready. I'm in the shower. I've taken my watch off. It's on the counter. We have, obviously, a dual sync vanity system. Usually, TheCovertCrow uses the right side, and the missus uses the left side. Now, because I'm getting undressed, and now I've taken off the watch, I just put it on the left side of the counter. Well, the missus is getting ready. She's doing her thing. Like I said, she's got the hair going and the blow dryer is going and stuff. And while I'm in the shower, don't I see it? The cord from the hair dryer hits the Omega Speedmaster Professional. It was like all in slow motion. It's like part of me was falling off a cliff as I saw the watch fall off the counter and smash onto the tile. How am I ever going to recover from this? Face down on the tile, Hesalite Crystal cracked. Damn, 46 years old. What am I going to do? My Omega Speedmaster Professional is cracked. I guess I'm going to have to leave it up to you. You guys can be the judge and jury. We don't need Judge Judy. I got the watch family. You guys got my back. Sometimes people have to take responsibility. Someone once said, there's no sense in crying over spilled milk. It happened. Now you just got to try to make it a positive. Turn things around and move forward. Now I'm fair. I'm reasonable. I don't like to point fingers. Did I err in putting the watch on the left side of the counter? She broke my watch. If I would have put the watch on the right side of the counter, is there a chance that this whole incident doesn't even happen? Doesn't matter. She broke my watch. The very moment that it happened, everything happened in slow motion, but my first instinct was to say, we need to go on a break. How am I going to go through the rest of my life as a single man of 3 children? How are we going to sell the house? Who gets the kids? I'm just kidding. She cracked my watch. What if I would have just taken the watch off before I went into the bathroom in the first place? There's no way around it. She cracked my watch. Yeah, she broke it. She broke my watch. I know where your head's at. I know what you're all thinking. It's just tough to take. She broke it. Now, I can tell you one thing. With the Omega Speedmaster Professional, the watch is pure class. This is a very historic timepiece. And of course, with the connection to NASA, wow, it is just a fabulous piece. But as you can see, and I'll show you a close-up there, the crack is right on the edge. So although it did fall face down, I think the initial impact was just on that right edge at the 3 o'clock position. I'm sorry, I was just checking up on the 11 NASA tests that they did to certify this watch for all manned space missions, and I don't see anywhere about it dropping from a height of at least 34 inches onto tile. Oh boy, I guess they could use test number 12. I think at the very least I should get it into the authorized dealer and just check functionality and see that they can go over, because you don't know if the fall or the impact of the fall has caused anything to come loose or to rattle around inside. So it has been functioning perfect and normal. It has been wound and tested for the last couple of days. Chronograph is operating just fine. But like I said, you never know. And what's life without having a little bit of peace of mind from time to time? So I may get it in there. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you think that's an accurate thing or assessment of what I should do. And you know what? Every little bit helps. And sometimes having a couple sets of eyes and a couple sets of ears on top of my own is very beneficial. So let me know. Thanks for listening. I love my girlfriend. She's my rock. I think that's about enough of my rant. It's been special. It's almost been therapeutic somewhat, just to kind of talk about it and get it out there off my chest. Because you know you don't want to hold things in. But listen, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's right there. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss the next video. And you know there's always going to be another video. I'm out. See you on the next one. She broke my watch.